Hi guys, so it's the end of the day, but I'm gonna take you back and show you everything that I had today to eat. I had a lot of delicious, colorful food. I'll share the recipes with you as well. So I'm in my 3rd trimester of pregnancy. I just wanted to show you what I'm eating so that I can maintain my energy levels and feel just good every day and maintain healthy digestion and good skin and all that stuff. So let's take it back to this morning.
Morning, Cusie. Hello. Hi. Morning, Cusie. Did you sleep okay? Having some Teff porridge for breakfast. And I'm going to try making it in the Instant Pot. So first thing, I'm going to just toast the Teff because that makes it a little bit more nutty. And to be honest, I've never done it in the Instant Pot. I've just done it on the stove. But I'm trying to try this out and see if it cooks even softer for me. And so this is my fruit. I eat a bowl of fruit every morning before I eat my oatmeal or Teff porridge or whatever else, just because it's so refreshing and I'm hungry right away. I don't have time to wait. Okay, now you can add water. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Little face massage. Yum. Cinnamon, soy milk, syrup. So perfect. It's really a lot better if you do it in Instant Pot. It's more smooth. Super good. Maybe I'm just starving. So just about every morning I go for my walk after I have my breakfast, and I try to do at least 2 miles in the morning. The goal really is to do 5 miles a day. I have not been doing that successfully, but that's the goal just because it makes childbirth a lot easier. Yeah, and of course, walking is great exercise. So I go for my walk. I usually listen to my affirmations or podcasts, or sometimes I even talk on the phone with my mom or my grandma and just enjoy the beautiful weather. So we're about to head to our midwife office, but before we do, we're just gonna eat a quick light lunch because we're gonna come back and I'm gonna totally eat again. So I'm gonna have some leftover black-eyed peas and rice, and I'm also gonna take some snacks with me because I will surely get hungry there. And since we have to head out really soon, I'm just gonna take my raspberry leaf tea with me in my to-go mug. So these black-eyed peas are so good. Made them in the Instant Pot. Actually, I think everything that I'm eating in this video today, I have made in the Instant Pot. These are leftovers from our Instant Pot video that we're posting next week. I'm gonna bring my sweet potato and some nuts too. Okay, so I'm walking into our midwife's office. Our appointment is, well, right now I'm always like a couple minutes late, So we're back from our midwife appointment. It was a great appointment. And I had some of my sweet potato in the car that I took with us. And now we're back home. I gotta take photos. The sun is unfortunately already going down, kind of. So I'm gonna take photos for one of the recipes from that Instant Pot video, and I'm going to then eat what I'm photographing. I made these amazing pulled mushroom carnitas. They're super good, so I'm gonna hurry up and take photos of them so I can eat them because I'm already hungry again. And to be honest, in the meantime, I'm gonna have a quick little snack. You know what I'm gonna actually have? I'm gonna have a banana with almond butter. Is washing some kale so I can make a kale salad later because I like to have my raw greens every day. Right here, I'm just setting up the toppings. So basically, it's tacos that I made and I'm photographing. I cannot say that word. And I think I'm gonna have these like arranged in the photo. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. Okay, I finally finished taking my photos, which means I can eat these gorgeous tacos. It was really hard to photograph them and not be able to eat them, but oh my gosh, I'm like so tired right now and I just need to eat my taco and go and take a nap because we actually have to go back out later. So this is my little what time is it? It's only 4:16, so it's like my pre-dinner snack. Second lunch? It's more like the second lunch. Okay guys, now we're headed back to the midwife office for a class about vaccinations. A lot of running around today. Okay, so that was super informative and we have a lot to talk about and continue to research, but it was luckily with one of our midwives, so we can continue to talk to her about it. She's also a pediatrician, a naturopathic pediatrician, so we can talk to her more. And now we're gonna go home and have dinner. Yum, yum. So we're gonna have our dinner right now. I made this kale and cabbage salad with chickpeas and cumin lime dressing. It's super delicious. I'm gonna post all the recipes from this video down below. Actually, you're gonna have to wait for some of them because they're coming in our video that we're posting next, okay? So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the Instant Pot recipes. And so to be completely honest, this is not the last thing that I'm gonna eat today. It's 9:32 at the moment. I mean, come on, if I go to bed at like midnight, I'm probably gonna eat at least once more, and I might wake up in the middle of the night to eat as well. So I'm probably gonna have a nice big bowl of popcorn for my late night snack. And if I end up waking up in the middle of the night, I'll probably eat maybe some toast or a sweet potato. We'll see. I'm not gonna film that part because it's just, I'm gonna be a zombie. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I eat in a day now that I am like 8.5 months pregnant. Pretty far in. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.